Hi guys, good morning. Uh, we're here in Australia, Brisbane. Ayan pala yung Marriott Hotel. It's 7 o'clock a.m. Medyo mataas na yung araw. Walking muna kami. Yan, ang Marriott Hotel in Brisbane. And then they have this Easy Mart. At ang gagamitin mo sa pag-purchase ay card. Okay din yung Australian dollars. Yan. You can have your credit card or yung sinasabi mo, yung sinabi ng pamangkin mo, BY? GoTime card. Ayan, oh. Dito kami sa Brisbane. Anong street ito?
Central District. Central area.
This is Queen Street Mall. Yan, diretso lang, malamig. Masarap maglakad, malamig. O, stop. Ayan, stop lang. Ayan. Ito naman yung ayan naman yung ano to? Howard Smith Warbs Street. Ayan yung Marriott Hotel. Ayan. Thank you guys for watching. Signing off.